Buddies. Benny. Benny. Buddies.
You know, hands.
He wants a pup cup. I wonder if they'll give him one. Benny.
He doesn't know where you're coming from. He's looking for you.
Put him out the window again.
Hold on one second.
Oh, cutie. Benny. Benny.
Man, where is she?
What a guy.
Is she outside?
So I'm doing like a little photo shoot. Oh, he's gonna leave because he sees the camera. Don't go in there. He almost jumped in. He gets weird when he sees this camera come out, which is why sometimes I usually use my phone. I know you wanna go in there. You want that to be your bed, buddies. That's my spot, buddies. Yes. Can I help you? What are you doing underneath there? Cutie boy. Oh. Sit. Wait. Nope. Wait. Is he looking? Oh, hi. What's the buddies? Oh. I'm gonna go to brunch. And then we'll come back for you, okay? And we'll bring you to Grandma's house. Oh. Go see the fountain? Oh, look. Get it. Get it. You scared?